Welcome back to Diabetes Food Truth. And today we are giving you the perfect 2026 meal plan for weight loss and lower blood sugar. Something simple, something effective, and something you can start immediately. This is not about counting calories. This is about eating in a way that stabilizes blood sugar and naturally supports weight loss and diabetes remission. We begin with the most important meal of the day, breakfast, the meal that decides your cravings. Breakfast determines your hunger, cravings, and energy for the next 12 hours. If you spike your blood sugar early, the rest of your day becomes a struggle. So here is the 2026 breakfast rule. Protein first, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, fish, chicken, or a protein shake if you are rushed. Then add healthy fats, avocado, nuts, seeds, or olive oil, and include fiber for fullness and slower digestion. Vegetables, chia seeds, flaxseed, or a handful of berries. This combination keeps blood sugar stable and massively reduces cravings. Weight loss becomes easier, and energy stays steady. Now we move to your mid-morning strategy. Mid-morning, the optional snack that can save your day. You do not often or always need a snack, but if you do, choose something that stabilizes blood sugar. A handful of nuts, Greek yogurt, a boiled egg, or some berries. These foods keep blood sugar steady without triggering hunger later. Next, we move on to lunch, the meal that anchors your blood sugar for the rest of the day. Lunch is where many people fall off track. Too many carbs, not enough protein, and a big afternoon crash. In 2026, lunch should follow this structure. A large serving of protein, chicken, turkey, salmon, tuna, eggs, or lean beef. Add a generous amount of vegetables for fiber and nutrients. Then include healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, or avocado. Carbs are optional, but if you choose to include them, go for small portions of slow-release carbs like beans or lentils. This lunch keeps blood sugar stable and prevents afternoon cravings. Now we move to the most dangerous part of the day, the afternoon, the craving zone. The afternoon is when blood sugar dips and cravings hit. But most cravings are not from hunger. They are from dehydration, stress, or poor earlier meals. So here is the 2026 fix. First, hydrate with electrolytes. A pinch of salt in water can stop a craving in minutes. Second, use movement snacks. 1 or 2 minutes of walking helps your muscles pull glucose from your bloodstream immediately. If you truly need food, choose protein or fat. A small handful of nuts or a scoop of Greek yogurt is enough to level everything out. Now we move on to dinner, the meal that shapes tomorrow's blood sugar. Your evening meal influences your morning reading more than most people realize. So this year, keep your evening meal simple, nutrient-dense, and mindful. Protein, vegetables, healthy fats, and fewer carbs, especially late at night. Late-night eating is one of the biggest hidden causes of high fasting glucose. So when possible, finish eating a little earlier. This simple shift lowers morning blood sugar and supports weight loss. Now let's take a look at dessert and sweet cravings after your evening meal. The smart choices that do not restart cravings. If you want something sweet in the evening this year, go for berries or dark chocolate with yogurt. Berries give sweetness with fiber. Dark chocolate satisfies cravings without the sugar spike. These options protect your blood sugar and prevent late evening hunger. Now, we're going to take a look at the hidden lifestyle factors that make your meal plan work even better for you. The lifestyle add-ons that supercharge your meal plan. 2 things matter far more than most people realize. Sleep and stress. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones and raises blood sugar. High stress increases cortisol, which pushes your glucose higher. Simple tools help. Breathing, walking, cold exposure, wind-down routines, and protecting your environment. When these habits combine with your meal plan, your results accelerate. Now let's bring everything together. Here is your 2026 meal plan summary. protein first, healthy fats for steady energy, fibre for fullness, anchored lunches, early, balanced dinners, smart snacks, smart sweets, movement after meals, better sleep, lower stress. This is the exact pattern that supports weight loss and stabilizes blood sugar without extreme dieting or complicated rules. And if you follow this structure consistently, 2026 can be the year you finally take control of your diabetes. You do not need perfection to lose weight or lower blood sugar. You need consistency, you need structure, and you need a plan that actually supports your biology. This is your 2026 meal plan. Simple, satisfying, sustainable, and built for remission. If you'd like us to create the full 2026 weekly meal plan or a complete shopping guide, tell us in the comments and we'll be happy to make it for you. Thanks for watching Diabetes Food Truth.